Hey team, here's the final details to complete our barndominium project. First on the list, grinder touch-ups and control joints in the stamp patio. Yes guys, these are mandatory, we have to cut through the pattern. If you just let it crack, the concrete's going to move a little bit each year over the winters. They're going to open up and get worse and worse. It's the nature of the beast. Stamp concrete, you got to cut it. Now we're on to the easy teak step. We are going to use 2 scoops of black in a 5-gallon pail of water. We are going to apply and drag off the excess, leaving no pools or puddles. This is going to fill in the wood grain with the secondary color and really accentuate the pattern. While that's drying outside, we're moving inside to strip our integral drain forms. As I mentioned before, we build these drains in-house, and it's just a bit more cost-effective to build these and install them rather than buy an expensive drain or hire a plumber to come in and do this. Now these fit an 1.25 inch bar grating, and we set our channels at 1.5 inches. So there's always about a 1/4 inch clearance for that steel. We're going to do a cleanup here, make sure we get all the debris, and then we got Mr. Fancy Orange Shirt with his fancy chalk line, and we're going to start cutting control joints inside. So we're aiming for about 10 foot by 10 foot squares. This one ended up being about 9 by 11 with the dimensions of the building. And we are cutting at a depth of 1.25 inches, which is 1/4 of the slab depth. You always want to aim for that number. We're going to run through here. We're doing corner cuts off the drain because it does like to crack off those corners, and it also helps channel the water into the drain. And then we're going to give everything a really good wash. There's a look at the bar grating there. Yes, I know you're not supposed to run it that way, but no one's driving over this grate. If you're driving over these types of grates, you need to run them oppositely, if that's a word. Back to outside, and that is shark grip, guys. There's no substitute for shark grip. It leaves it so grippy, you can't even see it. You don't even know it's there, and even when it's wet, it feels like sandpaper. So if you ever got problems with slippery concrete, just roll on some of this sealer with shark grip in there. It's amazing stuff. This is a 30% solvent-based acrylic cure and seal. So it's permeable and it allows moisture in and out as the concrete cures for 28 days. Now I'm sealing in the sun here, the direct sun, which is never the best idea, but I'm moving quick. You don't want to go back in and do any back rolling. You want to catch it good and move along. It'll start to peel. There you can see the pattern of the soffit and the floor. We matched it right up to that 45 detail coming off the corner. Now we're coming in hot with the drone. Man, this shop is amazing. I really dig this color too. It really looks like just 100-year-old barn board, and it really matches the shop and everything. The color scheme is just awesome. Thanks for all the love, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Really appreciate everything.